Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your Mac OS is supported and that you have at least 10 GB free. This prevents installation interruptions. Next, download the Steam installer and open it. When Mac OS warns, allow the app in security and privacy so it can run. Create or sign into your Steam account and enable two-factor authentication to protect purchases and saves. Once done, Steam will update itself and install client files. Make sure the client finishes updating before moving to the store or library. You now configure where games install by setting a Steam library folder. Choose an external drive if your internal disk is tight. Next, open Settings and pick an appropriate download region, set bandwidth limits, and schedule updates to avoid slowdowns during peak hours. Search the store for Mac OS-compatible titles and begin installing. Steam will queue and download based on your settings. If a download stalls, pause and resume it. And make sure your firewall or router isn't blocking Steam connections, so files finish. When you launch a game, first set resolution and graphics options for smooth performance. Lower settings if frame rate is low. Make sure background apps are closed to free CPU and RAM, and for non-native titles, use only officially supported compatibility layers. If a game crashes or won't start, verify game files from the library, update Mac OS and GPU drivers, and reboot. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset pram/nvram or check console logs for permission errors, then reinstall the game if verification fails to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.